Hi, welcome. This is the second of our Scribbles snowflakes. We're just going to go ahead and line it up on top. We're going to staple up here in the shaded area for some stability. You can also use a paper clip to help hold it down here. And we're just going to go ahead and start by removing the shaded area. Just going to start here at the top and work our way towards the center. We're going to leave that outside till the end. That staple gives us some nice stability. I'm just going to take that off. It's a little bit in the way right now. On this one, we're practicing coming into the interior spaces. And this one is designed so we can do an access cut. So we're just going to come all the way along here to cut out this interior space. Let's take your time. Paper does have a tendency to want to shift, so don't feel like you need to go fast. Go ahead and take the time you need to keep it together. I'm going to go ahead and put a paper clip there to help me as I continue working on down. So this access cut area is going to come back together again when the snowflake is finished. So we're just going to leave that alone and just cut out this shaded area below it. Again, take your time. And then we're going to go ahead, cut out that center point. And we'll open that up. And then I'm just going to go ahead and finish this snowflake by going along the outside edge. I'll take just a quick peek at this to see. Yes, okay. Just make sure we're still straight here. Okay, and then we're going to go ahead and open this up. Get these out of the way first. And I'll take a few moments to flatten this out to give you a better idea, but there we go. Thank you for watching.